Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by preparing the mesh and the material so reflections behave predictably. First, unwrap your model with even UV scale and apply object scale. This ensures textures and normal maps bake correctly. Then add a principled BSDF, set metallic to 1 so the shader behaves like metal, and pick a realistic base color. Metals often tint their reflections. Once done, lower or raise roughness to target specular blur, and make sure to enable an H-dry environment to check real-world highlights. Now you build the detailed look. Import or bake a normal map and connect it to the normal input using non-color data so the surface catches light realistically. Add a roughness map to vary gloss across the surface and generate curvature or Fresnel-based masks to isolate edges where metal wears. Use procedural noise and a color ramp to produce scratches and dirt. Feed those masks into a mixed shader between pristine metal and a rough, oxidized variant. Make sure to preview at close range to refine scale and intensity. To finish, add subtle clearcoat or anisotropic on the principled BSDF for brushed or layered metal effects and tune strength to taste. Once satisfied, bake the necessary maps, normal, roughness, ambient occlusion, and base color, at the resolution you need, and pack or export them with correct color space rules. If things go wrong, check your normals and applied scale, remove UV overlaps, and confirm texture nodes. Use non-color for data maps. These fixes solve most artifacts and lighting mismatches.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.